Hi, I'm Rush Wilson, and welcome to Window Shopping Wednesdays at Rush Wilson Limited. We're going to talk about our dress window today, and I'm going to ask my son Jay to get started. Happy Wednesday, everybody. The first mannequin in the window has a bright blue sharkskin suit from Rochester Manufacturing, wearing a blue and gray check Eton shirt and a tie from Robert Jensen. It's a light brown with a blue paisley, looks great with the suit. And then the pocket square he's wearing is a pocket square from Simonnot Godard, a bright blue with a white pattern inside of it. Mannequin in the middle is wearing a sport coat, a bright blue and navy check from Rochester Manufacturing, with a light pink Eton shirt and another Robert Jensen tie, bright pink and blue. And then he's wearing a pair of char blue navy pants from Zanella. And our last mannequin is wearing a Coppley tan lightweight wool suit to give you that seasonal look, paired with a David Donahue check shirt in brown and blue, a Robert Jensen foulard tie in blue, with a Seaward and Stearn pocket square to accent the gold and the orange in the tie. And to pair with each of the outfits, we've selected some shoes. With the blue suit, we've got the cognac lace-up cap toe called the Macon from Armin Oehler. With the sport coat outfit, it's summertime, so we're pulling out the white bucks. This is a special makeup from Alden shoes that we made up in a medallion cap toe in a white nubuck suede. And then from Armin Oehler, a double monk strap that has a perf toe and a hand stain finish called the Greenville from Armin Oehler. Thank you for tuning in this Wednesday to watch Window Shopping Wednesdays at Rush Wilson Limited. We invite you to come by this weekend, Friday and Saturday. We're having a Brax Feel Good trunk show. Renee Christopher from Brax will be here with extra models and extra samples from their entire inventory. We look forward to seeing you this weekend, and thank you for tuning in.